So hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video of y'all guessing which ones are my bad slimes and which one are my good slimes. I made a video of that, so if you go ahead and watch that, you could see and comment down below. The first person to get it right, I might, if they have a YouTube channel, I might subscribe, or I have a chance of liking 5 of their videos. Well, I don't have a chance, but if they, kind of chance. So, kind of chance, because if they don't have a channel, then I can't do it. So like 5 or 10 of their videos. So let me start in order which ones I did in order. So I started with this one. Okay, so was this one good or bad? And what did I say I could do? Did I say I can't fix this one, or did I say I can fix this one? So this is the blue one. Say hashtag blue if I said that I can't fix this one or I can. So that's that question for this one. Okay, the next one is this one. So this one is this slime. And it's really small, yeah. And so, question for this one. Did I say this was fluffy slime and it like destroyed, or did I say this was not fluffy slime and it was fine before? It was like this before. Comment down below and say hashtag pink slime and answer that question if it was fluffy slime before. This confetti slime. So the question for the slime is this: do I like this slime or do I not like this slime? Is this, or you could either do that question, or you can do, is this one like really hard slime, or is this one really soft and stretchy slime? And I'll try to get as most people as I can about these slimes. So yeah, these slimes. So, okay, and I have one more to show you. Okay, so this is my pink regular slime. So you could just say pink slime, I guess. And is this bad slime or good slime? So you could do like hashtag pink or whatever, yeah. And then, or that's one question, or is this stretchy slime, or is this not stretchy slime? So, yeah. And, yeah, that's all the slimes. That's all the slimes that I'm going to do. I'm going to edit this video. I guess I'll add some flashes to it. Like, oh, I'm dancing in the flashes. Yeah, okay. Bye, guys.